Magandang buhay, everyone. Magandang buhay, everyone. Ito na si Ayla. Bagong gising, oh. Bagong gising ang baby. Maulan sa labas, guys. Pero may ganap kami today. Today, ay dadalhin kami ni Daddy sa kanyang work. Kasi meron silang Christmas fair. So, dadalhin kami ni Daddy sa kanyang work. Yeah, because everybody want to see Ayla and Christian too. Are you excited, Ayla? To see Daddy's work and meet his colleague? Ayla? Not bothered. Not bothered, Mommy. I'm not bothered, Mommy. So, maghanap ako ng damit ni Christian at ni Ayla. Kasi nga, aalis tayo. Kalat pa ng kwarto. Aalis tayo, guys. Yes? So, what can Kuya Christian wear? Hindi ko alam kung nadamit pa si Christian dito kasi parang wala talaga magandang damit si King dito. So, siguro mag-ano na lang siya, tracksuit. So, guys, ang sukahan ako na Ayla. Dugyot ko talaga no, sa morning, no? Kasi yung mga damit ko, guys, pang tulog talagang ano yan, yung damit ni Mr. na malaki kasi gusto ko yung komportable nga ako sa pagtulog. Ayan, sige, maghanap muna tayo ng damit, guys. Nakabihis na kami. Tingnan nyo, guys, si Ayla. Tingnan nyo, naka-red dress si Ayla. Michelle, where are you? Aalis na kami, guys. Maya-maya, siguro mga 1:30 kami aalis. Kasi 2:00 magsa-start yung Christmas fair. O, diba, parang mukha na akong tao ngayon. In today's vlog, naging tao si Mommy. Mommy looks like a human, Ayla. Look. Look at Mommy looks like a human. Kasi guys, alam niyo naman ito, hindi talaga ako na, hindi ko talaga ayos yung itsura ko. Kapag, especially pag maghatid sundo kay Christian sa day, no? Pero ngayon guys, kailangan natin mag-ayos kasi nga, makikita natin. Ma-meet natin yung mga kasamahan ni Mr. sa work. So, sabihin nila, ano ba yan? Ang dugyot naman ng asawa niya. Ano ba yan? Ang pangit naman ng asawa niya. So, kailangan tayo kahit konti lang na-retouch. Ano lang naman, nag-ilay lang naman ako. Na-straight ko yung buhok ko. Tapos, konting lipstick. Ayan, wala akong foundation, guys. Hindi ako gumagamit ng foundation. Kahit pulbo, wala. Ano lang yan. Yan lang. Yung kilay. Tsaka, eyeliner. O, si Ayla, cute-cute ni Ayla sa red dress, guys. Oh. Yan, nabili ko yan sa Vinted. Magkano nga yung bili ko sa Vinted ng dress ni Ayla? Ah? Yan, nakakalat pa yung mga damit na pinapilian ko kay King kanina. Magkano ba yung bili ko sa Vinted, man? Siguro 350 ata. 250. Mura lang naman to. Itong pang Christmas talaga ito. Tingnan nyo. Pang Christmas na damit ni Ayla. Tingnan nyo, guys. Cute-cute ni Ayla. Ayan, tapos may leggings siya. Ayan, diba? Ganda-ganda ng baby natin. Ang cute-cute. Yan talaga ang kagandahan kapag may anak kang babae, guys. Kasi maano mo siya ba? Mabihisan. May ribbon-ribbon pa. So, yeah. Baba tayo, guys, kasi nandun si Christian. Hey, Manny. Put your money in your pocket. Mukha na akong ano, guys. Agree ba kayo, guys? Mukha na akong tao dito. Tingnan nyo. Nakakatuwa naman. Naging tao din ako minsan. Ito parang mali ito. Where did you put the money? Where did you put the money, King? Ah, here, your money. Oh, put in your pocket, oh. Yeah, in your pocket, because that's your money. You're gonna buy that a raffle whatsoever there. So, nakakatuwa naman, guys, kasi mukha na akong tao. Agree ba kayo, guys? Nag-lipstick ng lola niyo, oh. Mommy? Hindi na ako mukhang katulong, guys. Ano na, mukhang... What's up? So, naano ko na rin, napak ko na yung mga milk, mga nappy, whatsoever. Mommy, that's your favorite. Huh? That's your favorite. Leave? Yeah. What leave? You hold the one? This is your shoulder? What's that? The leaf? Yeah, I threw in the dry leaf. Is it me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know that.
How did she like going?
Wait now.
I done it. Was I?
Oh, use this jacket.
No.
You're gonna use them.
No.
You gotta get cold there. So, pinapunasan ko yung jacket na gagamitin niya kasi nga.
May a big guy.
Nadumihan niya guys. Dito na ano kasi siya natumba ba. Ang ingay ng sasakyan. So, ito yung jacket na nagagamitin ko kasi sa loob lang naman ng building. Hindi naman lalabas. So, pwede na to. Para mukha tayo ano ba. Hindi tayo mukhang matanda ba. Wala kasi ako magandang jacket. Talaga, ayoko naman mag-blazer. Yan. Pwede na to. Diba guys, okay naman siya. Kasi sa loob lang naman kami. Hindi naman yung sa labas. Nasa loob lang kami guys. So, tanggalin ko naman ito siya maya pag nasa loob na. So, I think this is fine. Palagay nyo guys, okay ba? Ayan lang. Tapos naka-dress lang naman ako. So, sige na guys ha. Kasi si Ayla. Tulog si Ayla. Pakita ko si Ayla sa inyo ha. Tulog yung baby. Hindi na. Where is he? Where is he? Kasi guys, may mga kumot kami dito sa bahay. Kaya nakikita nyo. Kasi malamig dito eh. Yan si Baby Ayla. So, I don't think siguro papalitan ko pa na yung napi niya before kami aalis. Ayan, ang cute-cute ni Baby Ayla guys. Yeah, we're going.
Why is Honey?
Now remove the stand. Where are we going? King, where are we going?
I know.
You don't know. We're going to Daddy's workplace.
The toy?
Yeah, so we are going na guys. Ang labas yung cleavage natin. Wala na tayong cleavage guys kasi wala nang gatas. So yeah, we're naayos lang ni Mr. si Ayla. Hirap kasi na. Hirap kasi ilagay si Ayla sa ano. Paano ba kapag natanggal? Mahirap. So yeah. So yeah, we're excited. Yeah, we're excited. See you guys. Ipaano ka namin doon. Itour ka namin ba? Can you volume down the music? house is here?
You don't know the house.
Let's see. Nice houses, King.
Oh, yeah?
This is Daddy's work.
What?
We're going to Daddy's work.
Why?
It's Christmas fair.
What?
There. I think that one. Is that one? No? Ah, not that one.
Someone's in a nice house.
Is that a big
Maybe
house?
a house.
Is one family only? Wow, the house here, guys, is very nice. Pero abutin ka ng milyones, no? Kung wala, mga mayaman. That's this Daddy's work. Christian, you see Daddy's workplace? Is that the one in the end? I thought it's like castle. It's not really. Yeah, I saw in the Facebook it's like castle. So dito na tayo, guys. Ito yung workplace niya ni Mr. Ayan. Ah, it means got loads of people. Really? Because got loads. So, nakahanap tayo ng parking lot. Not too many families. So yeah, we're here, guys, after 200 years. Ang daming tao.
Why you work?
Here, Daddy work here.
Yeah, this is it.
This is it.
That one, we're going that one at the back.
Excited si Christian, natatanong siya na kung dito ba yung work ng tatay niya. So try natin mamaya, guys, kung maka-film ako dun sa loob, no? Kasi siyempre may mga matanda doon, may mga family relatives, baka ayaw nila ma-film. Pero iwasan natin yung mga matatanda sa mga.
Wow.
I got lots of parking here, so it's not a problem. A big space. So are you excited to see Daddy's workmates? What you gonna say to them? Hey mates, hey guys. Say hi guys, okay? Ay, nantok na si Christian. How's Ayla? Can you check Ayla, please? She's sleeping. Thank you. So, yeah. Tayo na guys sa loob.
This big this time.
Yeah. Christian, your money. Your money. Come on. Don't jump, okay?
Put it in the pocket. Have you got it all? No.
Baby Ayla. Umiyak si Ayla, guys. Nandito na kami sa fair. How are you?
I'll keep this for you, okay?
Hi. Oh, Pauline, nice to meet you. Yeah. That's tired.
Want me to hold it for
That's tired. Sometimes it's tired too.
Somebody, because you like Win?
Darren.
Who?
Darren.
Karen.
Yeah. The nurse. What are you thinking now? Bili tayo ng cake. Ito may nuts. Hindi pwede kay Christian. Pauwi na kami, guys. At saka dyan sa plastic bag inside meron kaming mga cakes. And Ayla is a princess there. Hi Ayla, hi Christian. They really like to see Ayla and Christian. No, they said hi. Cute ning Ayla. Dami nasasabi ang cute ni Ayla, parang doll. Everybody say you're like a doll, Ayla. Yes. Ooh, dark Barbie girl.
Come
A Barbie doll.
Come on, Barbie doll.
So, pauwi na kami. Bring Ayla.
Here we go. Here goes that's the crying.
The dummy, did you wash the dummy? Christian, what's inside your bag? Christian got loads of chocolates and toys. Wow, well done, Christian.
Mama, not the money.
Where's your money? Chocolate money. Where is it? Wow, you got cup. Show the guys you got cup. That's very expensive cup. Let me see. Oh, this is cute. Meron siyang cup. Christian, hold it. Christian, Put in your bag.
What's this?
Chocolates. Let's share.
No!
Ayaw mag-share ng chocolate. Okay, guys. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami, guys. Ayan, namiyak si Ayla. Kaya dito na ako sa likod na upo. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you had just milk. You just had milk. You just had milk. You're fine. Okay, dami. Dami. Nandito na kami sa bahay. So, what is this king? This is what you wrote? Camel. Is it a camel?
Yes.
Camel. Who gave that to you?
That one?
Yeah. Who gave that? That's cute, camel, isn't it? And Ayla is sleeping as well. So, yeah, guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Kapagod sa biyahe. Basta biyahe ako mapapagod. Pero enjoy naman yung day. We enjoy the day, guys, which is good. Tsaka bumili na kami ng takeaway. Bumili si Mr. ng takeaway because wala na akong time para magluto pa. What's that, Wee? Did you remove the Wee?
Yeah. No.
No.
Still in there.
So we have a cake. Ito yung mga cake na pinamili doon, guys, sa Christmas fair. Ano? Fair. Awan ko, bahala na kayo na mag-adjust, guys. Ito yung meron carrot cake. Yeah, very good. So, ano siya, 50 pence per slice. 50 pence. So, something's like 35 pesos siya per slice. Yeah. Camel? Sige. Diba? Tapos ito naman, sarap ng mga cakes nila. So, ayan. May cakes tayo. This is Ayla's. So, anyway, that's it. Check muna si Ayla kasi nga kanina iyak na iyak siya doon sa car. How's my baby's gonna fail? Yung camel niya kahit saan nilalagay. Oh, may lagay dyan. I told you it's dangerous. So, anyway. Christian, are you ready to eat na? I'm gonna have my medication kasi nandito na yung amoxicillin ko. Amoxicillin. Sa ubo ko, guys. So, yeah, guys. Kain muna kami. Kasi update ako na ito sa bathroom. What poison? This is my medication.
Is that cute? That's cute, Mommy. Okay. I'm Mommy.
Yeah.
Is that Mommy?
You drink water?
Is that Mommy?
Bigyan kita ng ng juice.
Dick.
Bigyan ko ng drink si Christian. I-share namin yung mga napanalunan namin doon, guys. So, ito. Napanalunan namin chocolate. This one, Ruffles. And then, we got tea bags. We got, oh, this one, the dog. So cute. Ito nakuha ni Christian. And I got this chicken. I got this. Pangbat, guys. No? Maraming palunan. Itong cheese cutter.
No cheeses.
Cheese cutter. And may marmalade. Ano ba ito? Scarlet apple,
That's a
sabi.
cheese knife. That's interesting.
At mga chocolates na binigay kay Christian, no? Chocolates. Wow, look at that, guys. We got loads of looking, that's a knife. Take that one. Give it to mommy. It's dangerous.
Open it.
It's for cheese. Oh my god. Yeah, tea bag. Show to guys. Show to guys what you got.
I did. Oh yeah, I did.
What else?
Chocolate.
Wow, you got chocolate.
Another one.
Another one. Got loads there for here. What in your mouth?
Another one.
Marmalade. It's a marmalade.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one is good. And now guys, kain na tayo. Can you wash your hand?
Another one. What's your money? Get it.
Wow, that's nice. That looks yummy.
And this one.
Mmm. Thank
And the
you.
money one.
Yeah. Bye-bye na, guys.
And wine.
Wine.
And then.